Zzz. Hello.
Listen and find.
What can you see? I can see a doll. I can see a rocket. I can see a teddy bear. I can see a house. I can see a train. I can see a balloon.
Listen, look, and say. 1,
Robot.
2,
Teddy bear.
3,
Train.
4,
Ball.
5,
Doll.
6.
Car.
Listen, then read. 1,
The plane is made of wood.
2,
The boat is made of paper.
3,
The car is made of metal.
4,
The bicycle is made of plastic.
5,
The train is made of wood.
6,
The bus is made of plastic.
Activity book. 1,
Wood.
2,
Plastic.
3,
Wood.
4,
Paper.
5,
Metal.
6.
Plastic.
Let's share the balls. One for you and one for me. Let's share the cars. One for you and one for me. Let's share the dolls. One for you and one for me.
Activity book. 1,
Metal.
2,
Plastic.
3,
Wood.
4,
Fabric.
Exercise 1. 1,
Glass.
2,
Wood.
3,
Paper.
4,
Plastic.
Listen and repeat.
Everyone listen to me. Listen and repeat.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and count.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Listen, read, and point. 1,
Let's play a game, Adam. Okay. I will think of a toy. Ask me questions. Okay.
2,
Is it made of metal? No, it isn't.
3,
Is it made of fabric? No, it isn't.
4,
Is it made of plastic? Yes, it is.
5,
Does it have arms and legs? No, it doesn't.
6,
I know. It's the car. Well done, Adam.